ಮಧು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ
ಡಿಟ್ಟೋ ಡಿಟ್ಟೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಕಜ್ಜಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಫೋಟೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಡೀತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏಸ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಬಾಬಿ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಯಾವ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ?
ಏಸ್
ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್. Good morning, people. Today we are in Aura Eco Stay. Yes, last night we reached here around 7:30. So I couldn't record on the way back from Bakula homestay to here because my action camera had drained out of battery. So we reached here. We reached here at 7:30, and I'll tell you what is the specialty of this place. The specialty is the location. Now, what's so special about this location? You see there? You see that side? That side is the beach. So this beach is basically private to this particular resort. So it's clean. You can go and play there, and I'll show you how it is special in a while. So these are the cottages which are here. These are the cottages. And there are more cottages on the other side of the the gate which you see there. This part of it is called as yoga hostel or eco stay yoga hostel. So it's pretty expensive here. It's around the starting price is around 3,500 per day for a double bedroom. But I think when you come here, right? When you come here, you don't feel that's very expensive because of the aura here.
Going towards the beach. This is the pathway to that, and here comes the beach. The private beach is located in Kumta. The place name is called as Devkare Beach. It's like this. No one around, just me, my camera. That's it.
It's time to wash the bikes. It was very dirty after riding for 2 days. So Girish and Bobby busy with wiping out their bikes. My bike is done. It's ready. It's ready for lobing. Bobby, what's up? Bega tikkapa. Girish, tikkapa bega. Breakfast now. So what do we have in breakfast? Puri. Chutney. Bas. And upma. थोड़ा सा हाँ बस.
So we have finished our breakfast. So we have finished our breakfast, and we would like to give some feedback about the breakfast here. Coffee. I would say I'll give a rating of 1 because this is a brew coffee. At 2 rupees, brew coffee sachet have used. Coming to the breakfast, they served us puri, they served us upma. I would say for the kind of stay what we had, this particular place can offer better breakfast options. I would give a rating of 2 out of 5.
So guys, we had a breakfast and time for us to check out from our Eco stay. So plan is we'll go to Mirjan Fort from here. It's around 18 kilometers, and then Bobby and me will come back to this place, pack our luggages, and then start towards Bangalore. And Girish and Aarti will continue to Gokarna. They'll roam about in Gokarna. They'll spend some time there. Then they'll stay here tonight. Then they'll come back to Bangalore tomorrow.
The place has been, the overall experience has been good. That's because of the great company what we have. But apart from that, like I said in the past, food is not that great. But yeah, stay is comfortable. So see you around soon. We're going to Mirjan.
So we are near Mirjan Fort. This is the fort. Yeah, this is the fort. ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ನಾವೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಅಂತ ಜಾಗನೇ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಾವು.
Bahmani Sultans. After that, Britishers took over this. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಾಬಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಬಿ.
ಸೊ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಸಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆವಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಬಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಟ್.
ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾಂಡ್.
ದಿಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್
ಮೊಸಳೆ, ಹಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋರು.
ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಿಡೋರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಡೋರು ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಡೋರು.
ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸಾಕ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಟು. ಏನೇನೇನೋ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇರೋದು. ಹಾಂ, ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗಾ? ಬಾಬಿಯವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಟಾನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್.
ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಫೋರ್ಟು ಗಿರೀಶ್?
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕುಮ್ಟಾಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಿರ್ಜಾನ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
The same beach.
Cheers.
Not same, similar. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನುಕೂಲಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಇವ್ರು ಬೀಚ್ ಏನೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
So we are, me and Bobby are leaving to Bangalore now. Girish and Aarti will continue to stay here for the day. They'll go to Gokarna and then they'll start tomorrow morning. 5 o'clock?
Yes.
I don't think they need to start at 5 o'clock. They can start a bit late. But yeah, there'll be a lot of traffic by the time they hit Bangalore.
Yeah, exactly.
So it was a nice trip. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Happy journey.
See you soon.
See you in Bangalore.